Hello everyone, welcome you all for the next lecture of module 2. This is lecture number 12. Today we will learn the topic inheritance. Today we will learn the topic inheritance. In the previous lecture we have completed the concept of groups, classes and objects. Okay. Now today we will complete the topic of inheritance. Outlines are we will first understand the meaning of inheritance, then types of inheritance, then the examples of inheritance means how to write programs of inheritance. Okay, so let's start. Inheritance. Okay, inheritance definition. When one object acquires all the properties and behavior of parent object, and it is known as inheritance. Okay. When one object acquires all the properties of parent object is known as inheritance. What is the use of it? What is the use of it? It provides code reusable. It provides code reusable. Means the code can be reused. So how it's done? Inheritance is achieved by extends keyword. Means Java program understand if we apply extend, then Java program understand that this class having relation with another class. Okay. For example, this is the subclass name. This is superclass. Superclass means parent. Subclass means child. Okay, like that we add our parent name after our name. That shows the relations. Okay, just like that. Here, child name, then extend, then parent. So it is a relationship. Okay. So here, class, subclass name, extend, superclass name, and inside it, methods and fields. Okay. Now, types of inheritance. Inheritance can be single inheritance. There is one child and that is related with one parent. Single inheritance. Then there can be multiple inheritance or multi-level inheritance. Means inheritance relation is not up to one level. Like grandfather to father, father to child, like that. Multi-level. This is single level inheritance. This is multi-level inheritance. This is multiple. Okay. Means like two child have same parent type. I'll explain you with examples. Okay, hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. So first is single inheritance. Single inheritance. When one class inherit with one class only. Means there are only two classes. Okay. When one class inherit with one class, it's called single inheritance. It is a relationship, or we can say parent-child relationship. Okay, it's a is a relationship. Is means class B is having relationship with class A. Class B is having relationship with class A. So class B is called class B is called child. Class A will called parent. Okay, so it is a parent. Is called parent, and that's is called child. Okay, so it is called parent-child relationship, or we can say is a relationship. In the form of class, so it is parent is bigger. That's why it can call it. We can call it super class. Okay. And since child is a part of parent, so it is called subclass. It is a superclass and it is a subclass, like that in sense. So it's a parent child relation, single inheritance. That was single or single level. Here we can say single level. Only one layer is this. Only one level is there. It's called single inheritance. Next is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level means there is only not only one level. We can add the level. Okay? When one class inherit with other class is also inherit with the class. What is multi-level inheritance? Like we can say it's a grandparent, then parent, then child. Okay. Now, child is a part of parent and parent is a part of grandparents. So you can see here, this child is a part of parent means for this is super class and this is subclass. If you see for this layer, for this particular layer, child is subclass and parent is very good super. For this layer, parent is child of grandparent. This is superclass, this is subclass. So this parent acting as a subclass from grandparent and superclass for child. Means this parent is behaving the role of child also, parent also. For this child, it is parent, and for this grandparent is behaving as a child. So this is multi-level inheritance. Multiple inheritance. When one class inherit with multiple class, this one class inherit the properties of not only one class, multiple class. Then it is known as multiple inheritance. And one class inherit with multiple class, it is known as multiple inheritance. Like this, you can say this is mother, and father. Mother, father, and suppose boy or any child. See, uh, this child, class C, okay, it will inherit the property of mother and property of father, like that we can say. Means it will inherit the property of not only one parent, another parent also. Then it is for multiple inheritance. Numerical inheritance. When multiple class inherit with one class, then it is called as hierarchical inheritance. When multiple class, when multiple class inherit with one class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. Like this is parent, and these are the two different child. Child one, child two, like boy and girl. Okay? So these two children inherit the properties of the same parent. These two children, suppose this is boy, this is girl, or two boys, these will inherit the property of their parents. This is called hierarchical inheritance. Got it? Then hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance. Combination of multiple and hierarchical inheritance. Combination of multiple and a hierarchical inheritance is hybrid inheritance. Now see, hierarchical means two child with same parent. Okay, see, two child with same parent. This is hierarchical. See here, this upper one behave like a hierarchical interference, and lower one behave like a multiple inheritance. Lower one behave like a multiple inheritance, and the upper one behave like a hybrid inheritance. See, when one child having in relation with two parents, or we can say this child inhabit the properties of two parents. This child inherit the properties of two parents. Then it's called multiple. When two child exhibit the properties of one parent, that is called hierarchical inheritance. The combination of hierarchical and multiple. The combination of hierarchical and multiple is called hybrid inheritance. Okay. Again, listen carefully. One child with two parents is called multiple. Two child with one parent is called hierarchical. One child with two parents is multiple. Two child with one parent is called hierarchical inheritance. The combination of multiple and hierarchical inheritance is called hybrid inheritance. Now let's see the example of single inheritance. Okay. Here's suppose we are creating the class employee. One class we are creating for employee. Okay. This is one class. And one code is written inside this class, like salary, whatever. Okay. Next class, there is a trainer. Next class is trainer. This is also a class. Now, we are showing the relation between trainer and employee like a parent child. So this is parent and this is child. So we want to show the relation between trainer and employee. So what we have to do, we have to use extend keyword. It will apply trainer extends employee, means it will show that this trainer is the child of this employee, or this trainer inherit the properties of the employee. Uh, Again, I'm repeating. There are two classes. One is employee class, one is trainer class. We want to show the parent-child relationship between employee and trainer. What we have to do, we have to use extend keyword here. It means, according to this sentence, this trainer is a child or subclass, and this employee is a parent or superclass. Okay, so this is two class. One class here, two class. Now come to the main program. Main program is written with class single inheritance. Now, in main method, we have created the object of subclass. We have created in the previous lecture. It is very much clear. It should be very much clear that how to create class and the object. How to create class and the objects. Okay. So here in main program, we had create object for subclass at trainer. So trainer, here variable you can take anything. Trainer T equals to insert new keyword, then again this. Remember this trainer should match with this trainer, because we're creating object for this class trainer. So this name and this name should be same. And this trainer should be same as a right side trainer. While inserting new, it becomes a constructor. And it is used to call the particular class. Okay, this object is used for the particular class. Now we want to print the salary of this trainer and bonus of the trainer. We want to print the salary of the trainer and the bonus of the trainer. So CISO T dot cell. Okay, now when we will execute this program, so Java will see CISO command. Okay, CISO command, there is T dot cell. So Java will understand this. What is this T? T is the object of class trainer. So it will jump to the trainer class. In trainer class, there is no salary terms. For trainer class, extend employees, it will come to employee class. Here it finds cell. So here cell was mentioned. So it will print 40,000. Okay. Now come to the second command. CISO T dot bonus. Now it will understand T is the object of class trainer. It will jump to trainer class. And here it find bonus because you have to print the bonus. So it will print the 25,000. Okay, got it? So what you have to do? Remember two, three things. First thing is add extend keyword beside the child class. So first, remember where to use extend keyword. Okay. Next, in main method, create object of child class. Okay. And here in CISO, just call the particular class using the object. Okay. This is single inheritance. Now, this is the example of multiple inheritance. Here I'm explaining, but we will run the program in Eclipse also. Okay, if you want to do with me, then you can also do parallel with me. Now, the package, now, here class is addition. One class is addition. In addition, we have created method add, public void add, and CISO addition A plus. So for that, we have to use define variable first. So variable are A, B, int. We are not initializing variable, means we will take the value of variable from the scanner. But that will be defined in the main method. Okay. So now understood. Here we are created add class. One class is okay. One class is subtract. And one class is multiplication. Writing is not great, but please understand. Okay, this is multiply. I'm writing in short. Okay, multiply. So there are three classes. One class add, one class subtract, one class multiply. So what we will do, we will show like this. Okay. We will show multiply is a child of subtract class. So here we will use extend keyword and we will see the relation between multiply and subtract. And we will show subtract is the child class of add. Okay. So this is for one superclass add. This is subclass and this sub. Again, I'm explaining. Repeat, please. One class is add, one class is subtract, one class is multiplication. We have created three classes. One class is add, one class is subtract, one class is multiplication. Now we will see multiplication extend with subtract. See, multiplication, extend, subtraction. Okay. Multiplication, extend, subtraction. One level. Next level, subtract, extend with add. Subtraction, extend, addition. So this is the second level. That's why it's called multiple. Okay. So here see one addition, subtraction extend with addition, and multiplication extend with subtraction. Now come to the actual class. In actual class, we are entering the value of a, b. We have not entered value here. Otherwise, that will be part of this particular class only. No. So in the main method, we have entered the scanner. Okay, scanner for taking data from keyboard. Syntax is scanner, then any variable, new scanner system dot in. Now, what we want to see on console, we want to see the on console, enter the number. Okay. Enter the numbers A and B. Okay. Otherwise, you can write enter the value of A, enter the value of B. Now, multiplication am equals to new multiplication means this is object ratio. So, what is the lowest child class? According to this diagram, lowest child class is multiplication. So, we'll create object for this subclass. Okay, we'll create object for this subclass. So, multiplication am is any variable you can use equals to new multiplication. So, in this way, the constructor created. Now, we'll use this object am. Okay, so first with this object, we'll enter the value from the scalar am dot a. Okay, there is no need to define int ab because we have defined in starting only. Because if we will not define in this starting that it's int ab, then it can show error here. Okay, so am dot a sc dot in because we are taking the integer type values a b. This is sc dot close command for scalar closing. This, if you will not write this, it will not show any error, but it will show some warning that the scanner is not closed. Okay, now it can perform operation am dot multi. See methods. Now you have to write the method am dot multi, am dot add, am dot. Okay, when you will run this program, okay, so Java will understand that am.multi means it will understand that am is object of class multiplication. So it will jump to multiplication class. Okay. In multiplication class, it will find the method multi. So it will print the output multiplication is A into B. Okay. When it will run this command am.add, and it understands am is object of class multiplication. So first it will jump to the multiplication class. But in multiplication class, there is no add. Okay. So multiplication class extend to subtraction class. So it will jump to subtraction class. In subtraction class, it's again there is no add method. So it extend to addition will again jump to addition class. And here it find method add. So we'll add and we will give the out. Got it? Then add dots am dot sub. Am again it Java will understand that it is a object of class multiplication. So first it jump to multiplication class. Here it find the method sub. But here is a method multi. So it will not find sub method. So what it will do, multiplication class extend to subtraction class. So it will jump to subtraction class. In subtraction class, find the method sub. So it will print a subtraction a minus b. Okay. This is the example of multiple inheritance. So next is example of hierarchical inheritance. This is example of hierarchical inheritance. Okay. So what is hierarchical inheritance? Here we create the class. One class is trainer. Sorry. Okay, one class is trainer class and one class is student class. Span is not working properly. One class is student class and one class is new joining, right? Okay, this is three class. Student class, trainer class, and new joining class. Okay, now see. We have shown the relation between student and trainer. Okay, and new joinee also extend with trainer. So new joinee should be here or here, like this. New joinee also having relation with trainer, like this. Okay, hierarchical. Hierarchical means this is one class and two class having the property of one class, like that. Okay, so there are three classes we have created. One is trainer, okay, one is student, and one is new join. One is trainer, one is student, and one is new join. New joinee class also extend with trainer, and student class also extend with trainer. Again, listen carefully. There is one main class trainer, one parent class, two child class, new joinee and student, two child class, new joinee and students. So new joinee also having relation with trainer. So extend keyword will be added in new joinee also. Extend keyword will be added in student also. Okay, since new joinee also inherit property of trainer, having relationship with trainer. Student also having relationship with trainer. So extend keyword will be added in new joinee, and extend keyword will be added in the student in both. Okay, see. Trainer class, and this is the method created inside this class trainer. What are we going to say in Java? Then student class extend with trainer class. Here method created session. The new joinee class extend with trainer and the method created after. Okay. In class method created after. Public is publicly visible to see. Now this is the actual program. Actual we have created class hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance we have created the object of. Now we have to create two objects because why two object? Very good. One object of new joining and one object of students. Okay, because if you are at a student class and you that is having relationship with trainer, then without object you can't jump to trainer class. Can't call the trainer class. So you have two child, so you have to create the object of two child. So first create the object of new joining, variable you can take anything. Then call this and dot subject. Subject is a method name and dot upgrade. Upgrade is a method name. Next object creation is for student class. Student as equals to new student. Okay. Now call this as dot subject as dot session. Means these are methods. Okay. When you will execute this program, now Java will understand new joinee and first new joinee and dot subject. So Java will understand this and is object of new joinee class. Java will understand that this and is the object of new joinee class. It will jump to new joinee class. In new joinee class, what it will try to search? Subject. So it will find no. This method upgrade only, no subject method. So what will happen? New joinee extend with trainers, it will jump to trainer class. Okay. In trainer class, this is a trainer class. Method is subject. So it finds, okay. So now it will print this Selenium with Java. Okay. In the next n dot upgrade. So Java understand n is the object of class new joinee. N is the object of class new joinee. So it will jump to new journey and try to search upgrade method. So in new journey, it first is comes to new journey and it find the method upgrade. So it will print upgrading. Okay. Now next as dot subject. So Java will understand what is as. As is the object of student class. Very nice. As is the object of student class. So it will jump to student class. This is a student class. But here method is session, but we have entered as dot subject. So the student class extend to trainer, it will jump to trainer class. In trainer class, it find the subject. So it will type Selenium with Java. Next, S dot session. So S is the object of a student class. So it will jump to a student class and try to find session key. So in a student class, session, method is created that will show the output session. So this is an example of hierarchical inheritance. Now we will do this in Eclipse. So launch your Eclipse. It will take some seconds. In Eclipse, we have already created project. Previously, we have done basics of Java. That was module 1. Then module 2, Selenium. In Selenium, in previous lecture, we have done oops. Now today we are learning inheritance. So we'll create the package. So click on your project, right click, new, in new package. Okay, in package, give name of package should be in small letter, inheritance. Since we are learning the concept of inheritance, finish it. Okay, now inheritance, new class. Okay, so first we will do example of single inheritance. So, okay, include name. Okay, then finish it. Now see, package name is inheritance. Package name is always in small letter. In package name, class is single inheritance. Example. And then main method included. Main method included. So what we have to do, we have to create the classes. Okay. So one class we will create for employee, us, employee. Then we'll mention parameter code, salary equals to suppose class is closed. Okay. Then class trainer, trainer class bonus. What is it showing? It's a syntax around token class. Oh, that's in capital letter. Please call it. Okay. Since this is a case sensitive. Okay. We have created two class. One class we have created employee. One class we have created trainer. We want to show trainer is having parent-child relationship or either relationship with employee. So here we have to use extends keyword. Okay, I'm just copying it. That's why there is no chance of that. Okay. Last trainer extend with employee. Okay. Now come to the main. To the main method. Now we have to create object of the subclass. Okay. So trainer T, trainer, I'm taking variable T, you can take any for object prediction, new trainer. Okay, we have created the object T for trainer class. We have created object T for trainer class. Okay, now we want to call T dot C. Suggestions are there. Bonus or salary. Bonus from trainer class and salary for employee class. Okay. Are you getting it? Means we have created object T for trainer class. We have created object T for trainer class, and trainer class extend with employee class. So we can take any method, either salary from employee class, we can print a bonus from trainer class, because we have shown the relation between both classes, employee and trainer. So we can call both methods. We can call this also, we can call this also. That's why in suggestion both are. If you are not getting suggestion by any chance, if you are not getting suggestion, means there is some error. Okay, so try to take everything from suggestion only. Then there will be less chances of the error. Because many times you will understand what is error. Because you have typed same thing. You have typed same thing. Like I'm typing say. And here see, method cell is undefined for the type trainer. Method cell is undefined for type cell. Okay. But here it is cell only. It is showing error because I have typed it myself. I have typed it myself. I have not taken it from the suggestion. That's why it's showing error. Okay, now see, I'll if I'll see. Hmm, let's see. Wait, three dot minus bonus is undefined file for the type trainer. Trainer T trainer. I, I want to use the CSO command. T dot survey. I want to remember this one. I'll put print bonus also. T dot bonus. Hmm. Let me check. Method cell is undefined by type trainer. But we have used extend. Okay. Hmm, I guess some file importing is missing. Let's see the suggestion how to fix this problem. These are the suggestions. Add cast to team. What is it? It already created. Trainer team goes to new trainer. Let me check. See, again, I have typed the same thing, but there is no error. I guess many times when we, I have already explained you that when we type, it shows the error, or when we take from the suggestion, it will not show any error. See, same thing I have typed here again, is copy paste test, but it is not showing error. I don't understand what type of error, but it's working. See, when I run it, see, salary. T is a object of trainer class. Okay. In trainer class, we have to print salary, but salary is not there. It will jump to employee class. In employee class, salary is this. Same for bonus. T is trainer class, bonus 25,000. This will show display 25,000. So don't worry. Sometime when this type of error happen, then what you have to do, we have to again copy the same program in the different class. Okay. Or see, I'm just doing same thing. This see here. If I'll make this in comment, same thing. Package inheritance. Okay. Class employee here. Class employee. Employee float. FLO80 float. Salary close to 50,000 here. 40,000. You can write it 50,000 doesn't matter. Okay, then it is closed. Class trainer extends employee. See, int bonus. Then class completed. Then next trainer team, new trainer, and T dot cell, T dot bonus, T dot cell. The same thing. So there was no error actually. Okay, what I was trying to explain, when we type ourselves, then it can show some error. So mostly taken from the suggestion. So this is the example of your single inheritance. Okay. Now we will do multiple inheritance. New class name is multiple inheritance. See, first letter should be capital. Take main method, finish. Okay. It's example of multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, we are creating class. One class we're creating for addition. Okay, one class creating for addition. In addition, we're taking two variable and we're creating the method. Okay, publicly visible to all, void return type. The name of method is add. Main of method is add. And in add, what do you want to print? See, so control space bar. You want to print addition is addition of A and B is, that is a printing statement, but actual value is plus A plus B. Okay, means addition of two numbers A plus B, and this plus for reference. This is for addition class. Okay, class addition and this method. This one part is done. Okay, one class is done. Next, we are creating the class subtraction. Subtraction. In subtraction, we are creating method subtract. See, so means printing statement will be here. Otherwise, I can copy from here. Okay, now subtraction is subtraction of A minus B. Okay. A minus B. Then it is showing that it is not identifying A and B because we have not extend. Once we will extend, it will understand it's int AB. Because, there is no need to define int AB here also. Here it is showing error because it doesn't understand what is A minus, because it is having access on this class only. But we have not extend till now. If I'll extend it, extends with addition class. Not this error mode, because it was not able to find what is A and B. But this class extend with addition, so it can take from here also. Here it understands it's a integer value. Class subtraction 1, then class multiplication. Class multiplication. In class multiplication, create method mul. Public void mul and create and type say so. I will again paste from here. Okay, now we'll write here multiplication of number A and B is A multiplies in B. Again showing error of A and B. So I have to extend it with subtraction. For its example of multiplication. Okay, now I remember because here there is no A, B, but it jumped to subtraction class and subtraction class jumped to addition class. Now it understands A and B are intervariable. Okay, these are the class creation. Okay, now come to the main. Now since there are two different classes, okay, but two different classes, okay. If we are doing multi-level multiplication, extent, subtraction, so what is the lowest child? So lowest child is multiplication because multiplication extends subtraction, subtraction extend addition. So lowest child is multiplication. So we will create object of lowest child. Okay. So how to create object? Before object, well first multiplication on M equals to new multiplication. Okay. Now I can call M dot add. See, I'm writing myself. It can definitely show error. M dot. I'm not finding the suggestions. What I have to do in previous example, but if suggestions are not there, then the 100% there is error. Now see the error. Multiplication cannot be resolved to a type. Okay. Since I have written myself multiplication, it was showing error. But when I haven't copied, uh, although spelling was also correct. The spelling I have written was also correct. Since then also it was showing error. It was not understanding what is multiplication. As that's why I have copied from here. Now it understands. Okay, so sometimes I have to find error. It is not difficult. So just try to copy it from the same class and try to take from suggestion from the suggestion only. Otherwise, you will see I have written some everything fine, everything correct. Then also I'm getting error type. Now see, after dot, I'm getting the suggestion. Okay, so I want to do addition and I want to do subtraction. Okay. Now I want to do multiplication. Okay. Now again, will you find the answer? No. Why? Addition 0, subtraction 0, and multiplication 0. Because you have defined in A and B, but you have not given any value of A and B. That's why by default is showing 0. So first you have to enter the value of A and B. So we want to take from the scanner SC equals to new scanner means taking input from the keyboard. Okay, and SC is any variable you can take. Okay. First number I want to define the A. Okay, but directly LA, I'll type A equals to SC dot next int. I'm not finding the next int because next int not work here. What is the reason? Reason the A and B are used in every class. In multiplication class, subtraction class, addition class. So and the classes will be called through the object only. Here we cannot type directly like the previously when we have done scanner class. We just type int A equals to next int A. We just type A and sc dot next int. Okay, we'll type here, but this will not work. Okay, this will not work for all the classes. Okay, this will work for here only. Okay, I'll show you by after running it. Int B equals to sc dot dot next int. Okay, now run it. See, I'm getting the error. 1 second. See, although error is not there, we have defined int A here, int B here, error is not there. Okay, but it is we are not getting output because we have defined A and B for this class only. But we have used in these classes, so it should be defined by objects because classes are called by object only. So m dot A equals m dot A equals sc dot next into next in okay m dot B equals sc dot next in okay process. M cannot be resolved to a type. M object created here and we are defining this here. Okay, so after object creation we can use because it is not understanding because Java will run program line wise. So here we have mentioned M and M is not defined here. M defined lower side. We have to copy it here. Let's remove this line. So copy this here and use after object creation. Okay, now run the program. Okay, it will take the values, but you will not understand because you have not typed anything at the console. It will show error, not sure. So you have to enter here one CISO command. Okay, control space bar. Enter the values of A and B. A and B. Okay, like this you can enter. Otherwise, what you can do, you can remove this. Here you can write CISO, not here. CISO, control space bar. Enter the value of A. A. Okay, and after here, CISO command. Enter A value of B. Now run this program. Enter the value of A, 54. Value of B, 24. Now addition is 78, subtraction is 30, and multiplication is 1 to 9c. Okay, so first it will take the value of A and B, then it jump to add method. Method add is addition. Then jump to subtract method. Method subtract is A minus. Then jump to multiplication method. Multiplication method is A multiplied by B. So it can jump to any method, whether it's addition class, subtraction class, or multiplication class, because all classes are related by extended keywords. all classes are related with extend keyword. This is the example of multiple inheritance. Next, we will create the example of hierarchical inheritance. Package, right click, new, then class. In class, type hierarchical. Hierarchical inheritance. Okay, including main method, finish it. Okay, see, practice inheritance and class is hierarchical inheritance. Okay, now first create a class. Okay, one class I'm trainer. Okay, class name should be started with capital letter. Class trainer. Sorry. In trainer, create method subject. White subject. Hmm? In sub, not here. It's a class. Hmm? Method, sorry. In subject, CISO, control space bar. And here I'm typing Selenium with Java subject. Okay. This class is done. We have created class trainer and method subject. Next, we create the class student. Okay. In student, we have created method session. In session, suppose I'm printing concept of inheritance. Okay, so this class also. Okay, now next I'm creating class new joining. Class new joining. Class new, start with capital letter, new joining. And I'm creating the class new joining. I'm creating the method upgrade. Upgrade. I'm typing so across space bar upgrading. Here I type upgrading. Okay. Now, since hierarchical, what is hierarchical means? Hierarchical means, if you see this, two child class having relation with the same parent class. Two child class with same parent class. Okay. So child class, I'm taking student, I'm taking new joining, but both having relation with parent class trainer. So add extends keyword with trainer. Okay. I'm copying from here. Extends with, oh, sorry, trainer. Okay. So now Java will understand that new join is a part of trainer and student is also part of trainer. Now come to the main program. Here can inheritance and the main. Okay. First of all, uh, create object of any. Sorry, you have to create object of both because the student also extend with trainer and new joining also extend with trainer. So you have to create two objects. One object for student, one object for new join. Okay. So one object I'm creating for student, I'm copying from here. That's why no error will be there. Student s equals to new student. Okay, we have created it. Now we will call the method. Methods are visible. Okay, so method I'm taking subject and another method I'm taking suppose It is not visible here. Great. It's not there. One second. Method we have created here. Session for a student session. Okay, s dot session. Session specific. Okay, this is for a student class. Now we'll create the object for new joiners. I'll copy from this here. I'm creating, I'm giving name and equals to new. Now I'll call this L dot subject and dot upgrade. Okay, now run this program. Error. Student dot subject. Any student, it is not able to find subject. Why? Type trailer is already defined. Okay. I have type trainer and single inheritance, I guess. Yes, I have defined trainer here. That's why it is showing that I have to change the name. Class trainer. Class tester. Okay, from here. Tester. Tester. Then next thing. Okay, now see. We are getting down. Because previously it was confused. That same class was in same package, the same name of class was repeated. That's why it was showing error. So I have rename it with the test. Okay, so test is the master class. Now, when we will run this program, as dot subject, so Java will understand this as is the object of student class. It will jump to student class here. Here it will try to find subject, but here it is not getting subject. So it will jump to tester because it is really having relation with tester class. It will jump to subject, tester. Here it finds subject. It will print Selenium with Java. That's why first we are getting Selenium with Java. Next is s dot session. So s is a student class. Here it find the session, concept of inheritance. Then it printed concept of inheritance. Okay. Then if you want to give the some space because it is all four words. So what I will do after creating this, before printing this, I want CISO control space bar, and here I'll write like this. I want a space, or I'll run this. See, because we are not getting this is of a student class or new joining. Now next, and if I'll exhibit it, so Java will understand and is the object of new joining class. It will come to new joining class and try to find subject method, but subject method is not here. So it will jump to tester class. In tester class, the method is subject there. So it will print Selenium with Java. Next, n dot upgrade. So it will understand and is a new joining class. In a new joining class, it will try to find method upgrade. So upgrade method is there. So it will print upgrading. Got it? So understood? Here in hierarchical, two child class relation with one parent class, tester. Okay. So two child having relation with one parent. That's why we have to create for both child class. Okay. Then call the methods in class. Okay, so now you understand the concept of groups. In concept of group, we created different classes. Okay, and these classes called by the objects. In groups, we create various classes like class. We have created tester, student, user. We create classes, and whatever the methods created in the class, those are controlled or called by the objects created in main method. Object created in main method. And the relations between child class is done by inheritance, and that is done by extend keyword. Okay. So in this way, we have learned the concept of inheritance. Okay. So God bless you. Take care. We'll meet in next class. We will understand the concept of encapsulation of polymorphisms. Okay. So take care. Bye bye.